Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So with this car you've got 16-inch alloy wheels, reverse parking sensors and tinted rear windows. Inside you've got the 7-inch touchscreen that gives you DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay and full Bluetooth connectivity. There's also dual zone air conditioning, cruise control, automatic headlights and wipers, and the car is only £30 to tax. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.